How would you like to not have to pay state property taxes? Well, if one lawmaker gets his way, that could become a reality within the next 10 years.
Brock Wilson here with a look at the Freedom from Taxes Fund. Brock, how does this work?
Yeah, Mike, Rachel, this is a resolution that was presented by State Representative Blake Carpenter back in March. The crux of the idea is the state would create a board that has the authority to eliminate sales tax exemptions. Then over time, that money would be used to offset the revenue brought in by property taxes. Sounds like a good idea in theory, but one political expert says it doesn't come without consequences.
It is something where we invest money for the future generations of Kansas.
Kansas State Representative Blake Carpenter says right now there are billions of dollars in tax exemptions on the books.
And if we get $1 billion, if we get $2 billion, there's no set number on the board and how much they would be looking at in the review process.
He believes a board tasked with cutting sales tax exemptions could come up with enough money to eliminate some property taxes over a 6-year period. The first step,
the elimination of vehicle property taxes,
followed by state property tax, then income tax. But one local political expert says while it sounds like a good idea from a budgetary perspective, it could wind up hurting local communities.
You start eliminating sales tax exemptions, that means people's expenditures are going to go up.
Friends University political science professor Dr. Russell Arbin Fox says you may not realize you're benefiting from some of these exemptions.
You start getting rid of that and, you know, the vacuum cleaner that you just bought might cost more. The automobile that you just bought might cost more.
Representative Carpenter says there will be guardrails for that.
That's also where we still play a role as a safety net and can come in and reenact any exemptions that we cry foul on, essentially.
But because most sales taxes are instituted locally, Dr. Fox questions giving the state this much authority over local government.
Are we just going to give the state carte blanche power to review all of the sales taxes plus all of the sales tax exemptions that all of these municipal and county governments have established all across the state and just kind of say, yeah, they're all gone except for these?
Definitely a lot of moving parts. So what's next? Representative Carpenter wants the resolution to pass the legislature during the next session. That way it appears on ballots in 2026. If it does pass a public vote, it would take effect on January 1st, 2027.